Oh, hey, wasn't expecting to see you there. I hope you're hungry because I'm about to make our roasted root vegetable salad. It's gonna have a trifecta of root vegetables, everything from red beets to radishes and also some carrots. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm hungry, so let's go ahead and get started. My bad. I guess I should take you out of the fridge, huh? My bad, y'all. All right, let's go. All right, now this salad is similar to the roasted beet salad that I've made in another video. However, with this one, we're obviously adding the radishes as well as the carrots. It's something honestly that you can eat year round. So for these vegetables, we're just gonna chop them up and then dress everything in olive oil, season them with salt and pepper. For the beets, gonna chop up and add some of this fresh garlic. For the radishes and the carrots, we're also gonna add some of this rosemary. Gonna chop up these shallots and add those onto them as well. We're going to dress this with some homemade maple Dijon vinaigrette. We're gonna make that fresh, which is gonna add a nice flavor to it at the end. And then you can also place this on any type of green that you would like. For us, we are going to use some fresh arugula. All right, let's get to chopping. Check you all out at the end. So I'm gonna start off slicing the skin from the carrots and then chopping all of the vegetables into different shapes and sizes. I pretty much cut the carrots into almost a matchstick type of shape, but feel free to slice your veggies into whatever shapes and sizes you'd like. Now, another great thing about this salad is that not only is it a trifecta of vibrant colors, but it also packs a trifecta of some excellent nutrients like vitamin A and vitamin C from the carrots and the radishes. And then from the beets, you get those good nitrates, which help to expand the blood vessels. Not only does this help to reduce blood pressure, but it also just helps blood to flow more easily, which allows the blood to carry oxygen and other vital nutrients all throughout the body. And then from everything you get a healthy dose of fiber as well as a lot of antioxidants, all of which are good for improving your gut health, your skin health, and really just the whole body inside and out. Okay, so now we're going to oil and season all of our veggies for roasting. Adding a little bit of salt and pepper as well as the dried rosemary to the carrots and the radishes, which I'm going to be roasting together. Again, if you have fresh rosemary, that would be even better because of the flavor that it provides. And then I've combined our beets and minced garlic, just adding some olive oil, a little bit of salt, and some garlic powder to that. We're going to put both of these in the oven to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is nice and tender. And while that's baking in the oven, we're now going to make our dressing using everything that you see here. And apologies, y'all, I did not measure everything out because, to be honest, when I make dressings, I usually just wing it. I just kind of eyeball everything and taste it as I go. However, a helpful tip when making dressings is that use the oil as your base and then gradually add your other ingredients like your acids, in this case the vinegar, and then the mustard and the maple syrup or whatever sweetener you're using. The goal that you want to shoot for is for everything to emulsify, or in other words, you want it to all be combined as one liquid. Now, my wife is someone who likes her dressings a little bit more on the sweeter side, so I decided to add a little bit more maple syrup so that we can both enjoy it. All right, so now we're going to take our veggies out of the oven, and as you can see, everything is looking good and we are about ready to build our salads. Now, I want to mention that I'm going to be adding a trifecta of nuts and seeds to this salad as well, including pistachios, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds, just to add a healthy dose of protein as well as iron to the salad. The amounts of all of these that I'm adding to this salad is actually going to increase the amount of protein by about 12 grams or so, which is amazing, especially if you're someone who eats primarily plant-based and is looking to add more protein to your diet. And then we're finishing it off with our homemade vinaigrette and some hemp seeds. And there we go, folks. Now this is what I call hashtag not a boring salad. Now, if you're interested in checking out another high protein plant-based salad recipe that's also gluten-free, then click on this video here in the top right to check out our pasta salad recipe that's made with chickpea noodles, and we'll see you over there. Peace.